Good morning. We've got an absolutely stunning 2017 BMW 330 on the dyno today at Pendle Performance. This is coming for our custom tuning and also the ZF8 HP gearbox custom tuning. This one's a rear wheel drive, it's not the X-Drive model. 258 brake horse model, controlled by a Bosch EDC 17C50 engine control unit. We do have the ability at Pendle headquarters to fully live data log every single PID on the engine control unit. What I mean by that is every single variable on the engine control unit. So we can data log, live data log, excellent sample rate, every single variable of the ECU. That allows us to analyse the engine, make sure everything's running absolutely perfect. And then we can also custom tune the software that we put in the engine controller when we're tuning. And our tuning for these, and every mate we do tune really, it's OEM spec, so it's OEM plus Pendle Performance tuning. What I mean by that is the engine control unit is running as it should be doing, with all the protection maps working correctly. I have seen a lot of files where tuning companies will delete the protection maps, or they'll let them run way too much EGTs and stuff like that, but it's not what we do here. We have to have the ECUs running as OEM, you know, so it keeps your engine nice and safe, and it gives the correct performance and power output. So, like we do with every single vehicle, we get it in, we put it on the dyno, we do an initial dyno run, live data log it. If it needs any main dealer software updates, we'll do software updates. Analyse the data log, then custom tune the file to go in the ECU. We'll put our base file in the ECU, we'll do a number of runs and data log it. Then we'll analyse the data log and tweak the base file where needed until we've got absolutely perfect power delivery across the full rev range, and also safe data log. So we've finished this vehicle now, so we'll have a look at the dyno graphs of it, and we'll look at the stock one as it came to us, and then we'll look at the final tune when we're done. So this is a look at the stock graph. As you can see, it's made 259 and 541 newtons of torque. So I think they are classed as the 258 brake horse engine, so pretty much bang on the button. They do give some nice torque out there, you know, nice flat torque curves, you know, so the standard really 540 newtons of torque, rear wheel drive. Yeah, it's quite a capable car already. Good news is they are really well to tune, these engines. They do tune up really well. We'll just load our tuning graph up, and I'll overlay it over the stock one as well. So 258 brake horse at 259 brake horse it made. She's now made an absolutely awesome 325 brake horse, and more impressively 673 newtons of torque. You can see the torque delivery is absolutely superb. It really is nice. We get this with calibrating the ECUs correctly, all the internal torque request maps inside the engine control unit, and also calibrate the injection quantity correct with the correct turbo control. So we get smooth delivery of power, you know, nice OEM style progressive delivery of power. So not only are you getting a huge increase in performance, but it's also getting a better drivability of the vehicle as well. So that's what we do at Pendle headquarters, tuning each and every vehicle. This is also had the gearbox custom tune, the ZF8 HP gearbox. We do also alter the sports display when we're tuning the engine control unit to display the correct numbers, and we also alter the dashboard display for the gearbox. So when you're in D mode, it'll set D1, D2, D3. Instead of saying just D all the time, it'll tell you what gear you're in. So we do that as well when we do the ZF8 HP gearbox tune as well. So that's an absolutely stunning BMW 330 tune at Pendle Performance. So thanks for watching.